Everyone, we're tracking something that we don't normally do, even if it's wintertime here in Tallahassee. Some very cold temperatures and really a cold weather system moving through, giving us some even wintry precipitation. 34 degrees is the current temperature right now officially at the airport, but some areas around Leon County more like 32, 33 degrees. Cloudy skies, few areas of drizzle. And believe it or not, 1 or 2 degrees with this cold of temperatures makes quite a difference when it comes to talking wintry precip across the area. 33 in Monticello, 32 in Thomasville, so you're at freezing. 32 in Bainbridge. You've seen some snow in the last couple hours. 27 degrees in Marianna. Yeah, it's a cold start, and when you factor in a little bit of a wind from time to time, it's pretty chilly, even chillier. Now, look at the radar picture. We got some pink on the map, and that's indicating some wintry precipitation. So we're talking not snow. Snow's the blue that, yes, grazed portions of Bainbridge not too long ago, but this pink is freezing rain and sleet. That means temperatures just aren't quite cold enough at all levels of the atmosphere to produce that snow. And so looks like our biggest threat is going to be freezing rain and sleet, at least through the morning hours after that cold rain that we saw overnight tonight. Now, we do have some road closures beginning to happen, especially along the bridges, so make sure you keep that in mind as you're beginning that morning commute this morning. With the Apalachicola River overpass region along I-10 is closed, so that's going to create some headaches, I imagine, as the morning rush hour begins to unfold. And we're seeing more road closures back toward Panama City Beach region and into Bay County. Some of the bridges are closed as well. So not a pretty situation. And notice how we have more moisture offshore, and that's kind of building up there as well. Rain has basically been the case offshore until it hits the coast. The cooler land is basically making it become more wintry precipitation. So definitely something that we have to watch. And as this band of moisture moves over us later this morning, temperatures are going to gradually drop over the next couple hours to below freezing, and that's when we could be talking about some icy roadways around 8, 9 o'clock this morning around Tallahassee, so we'll have to look for that. And that's not all. There's a whole lot more where this came from. There's a lot more rain back toward Texas, and yes, some snow there as well. And that kind of wave of energy is moving this way later today, most likely. So we could be seeing off and on bands of this wintry precipitation that really we never see around here. Winter storm warning continues at least through the morning hours for the region, and we even have an advisory over toward Perry too. Getting in, everybody's getting in on the wintry precipitation threats today. And we also have a wind chill advisory in effect this morning. It's going to be a little chilly when you add the extra bite to the air when you factor in the wind across the area this morning. So that's what we have going on right now. I want to end this live segment with another look at the radar and show you what's going on across our local area. Again, some wintry mix. That's freezing rain and sleet beginning to come into our area. We're watching the progress of that road closure along the Apalachicola River Bridge along I-10. Some issues are starting to pop up as far as the roadways this morning around our local area as you're beginning to make those morning commutes.